Hello friends, welcome to my classes. So this is the first lecture of my mathematics series and today I am going to tell you about the differentiation topic. So first of all I am going to tell you some of the basic formulas of the differentiation with the trigonometric and some of the basic rules of the differentiation. So first of all, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus of sin x. G by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. D by dx of x to the power n is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cos x square x. D by dx of sec x is equal to sec x tan x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus cos x cot x. Now, some of the basic rules of differentiation are as follows. First, d by dx of u plus v is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. D by dx of u minus v is equal to du upon dx minus dv upon dx. D by dx of uv is equal, that is product of u and v, is u dot dv upon dx plus v dot du upon dx. D by dx of u upon v is equal to, in the denominator, v square, and the numerator, v du upon dx minus u dv upon dx. So let's start the first question. Okay, so now here you have to find d by dx of sine of x cube. So here it is sine of x cubes. Okay, so here I am supposing it as x cube st. So let x cube is equal to t. Okay, so now we'll differentiate this with respect to t. Okay, with respect to x. Okay, so dt upon dx is equal to what? 3x squared. So now let's assume that y is equal to sine of t. Okay, now t is equal to x cube, so sine t this will be. Okay, so now dy by dt will be equal to what? It will be equal to cos and t. Okay, now multiply these both the equations. Equation 1 I am giving this, and the equation 2. Okay, so now dy by dt into dt upon dx. Okay, so if you multiply both of them, then we will get the value of dy upon dx. Okay, so what is dy upon dt? Dy upon dt is equal to cos t, and dt upon dx is 3x squared. Okay, so 3x squared cos t. Okay, so cos t is what? Cos of x cube and 3x squared. So dy upon dx. Okay, so this will be our. So let's start the second question. This is d by dx of tan of root x. Okay, so here we will assume the root x is equal to t. So let root x is equal to t. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So dt upon dx is equal to what? X is x to the power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will come here, and 1 by 2 minus 1. So it will be 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, now assume y is equal to tan of t. Okay, tan root x will be tan t. Okay, now dy upon dt. Okay, so tan t will be equal to what? Sec square t. Okay, now this is second equation, this is first equation. Now multiply both of these equations. So dy upon dt into dt upon dx will be equal to what? So this will be give our the final result, dy upon dx. This will cut. So now dy upon dt is what? Sec square of t into dt upon dx is what? 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, now the sec square t we can write it as sec square of root x. Okay, t you have assumed root x into 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, so this is sec square root x upon 2 root x. ये वाला काटूं क्या? So let's start the third question. So here we will to find g by dx of 2x plus 3t power 5. Okay. So now you have to assume this here is that t is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. So now dt upon dx you have to find is equal to 2, and let us assume that y is equal to t to power 5. Okay. Now dy upon dt is equal to what? 5 t to the power 4. Okay. Now equation 2, equation 1. Now multiply these both equation. Now dy upon dt into dt upon dx is equal to what? Dy upon dt. So we will get dy upon dx. Okay. We will look at, so dy upon dt is what? 5 into t to power 4 into dt upon dx is what? 2. It will be 10 to t to the power 4. That means we can write t here as 2x plus 3 to power the power 4. Okay. So this will be our answer. Now, so let's start with fourth question. It is d by dx of sine 3x multiplied by cos of 5x. So here first of all we will multiply and divide by 1 by 2. Sorry, multiply and divide by 2. Okay. And first of all I will give it is let y is equal to sine 3x into cos 5x. Okay. Now multiply divide by 2. So 1 by 2 to 2 sine 3x multiplied by cos 5x. Okay. So here, as we know the formula, 2 sine a cos b, sorry, 2 cos a sine b. Okay. This is equal to sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. This is the trigonometrical identity. Okay. So I'm using this right here, 2 cos 5x sine 3x. Okay. So now this will be written as like that, sine 5x plus 3x. Okay. Minus sine of 5x minus 3x. Okay. So you can write this as sine of 8x minus sine of 2x. Okay. Now we can write this is as half. So now we can write this half sine 8x minus half sine 2x. So this is our value of y. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So dy by dx will be equal to what? Half cos. Okay. Half will be common, and sine 8x is your cos of 8x. Okay. And for 8x we will give it 8 minus half. We may say sine 2x will be your cos 2x into 2. So cut this up, 2 4. Okay. So it will be 4 cos 8x minus cos 2x. Okay. This is the required answer. Okay. So that's all for today, and this is your homework, and if you can solve this, then do comment in the comment box. Okay. And if you like, then please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my video for the latest updates, and click on the bell icon. Thank you.